Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Lexing, tokenizing, and parsing are fundamental tasks in language processing and compiler construction. These processes are essential for turning raw source code into structured data that can be analyzed, interpreted, or compiled into executable code. In this tutorial, we'll explore various Python resources and libraries to help you perform lexing, tokenizing, and parsing. Lexing, or scanning. Lexing is the process of breaking down the input source code into individual tokens. Tokens are the smallest units in a programming language, such as keywords, identifiers, numbers, and symbols. Tokenizing is closely related to lexing and is often used interchangeably. It involves converting a stream of characters into a stream of tokens. Parsing is the process of analyzing the syntax of a sequence of tokens to determine its grammatical structure. This usually involves building a parse tree or an abstract syntax tree, AST. Now, let's explore Python libraries for lexing, tokenizing, and parsing. Python's built-in re module can be used for simple lexing and tokenizing tasks. It allows you to define regular expressions to match patterns in the input text and extract tokens. Here's a basic example of tokenizing arithmetic expressions using re. Ply is a popular Python library for lexing and parsing based on the lex and yak tools. It provides a powerful way to define lexers and parsers using Python functions and decorators. Here's an example of parsing a simple arithmetic expression using Ply. larkparser is a versatile parsing library for Python that supports both parsing and lexing. It uses a custom DSL, domain-specific language, for specifying grammars. Here's a simple example of parsing a basic arithmetic expression using larkparser. As mentioned earlier, larkparser can also be used for parsing. It's a flexible and powerful parsing library with support for both parsing and lexing. You can define custom grammars and generate parse trees or ASTs. Ply not only provides lexing capabilities but also includes the yak parser generator. You can create custom parsers for complex languages by defining grammar rules and actions. Parsimonious is a simple and lightweight parsing library for Python. It's suitable for simple parsing tasks and allows you to define grammars using EBNF style notation. In this tutorial, we've explored various Python resources and libraries for lexing, tokenizing, and parsing. Depending on your project's requirements and complexity, you can choose the appropriate library, whether it's a simple regular expression-based approach using re, a full-featured parser generator like Ply, or a flexible parser like larkparser. Remember that lexing, tokenizing, and parsing are crucial steps in language processing and compiler construction, and the choice of tools depends on the complexity of your task and your familiarity with the libraries. Practice and experimentation will help you become proficient in using these resources effectively. ChatGPT